Science Academy. What do we have today? Chemical bonding. What is chemical bonding? Chemical bonding deals with various attractive forces that join chemical species together. What are these species? Species like atoms, ions, molecules, and compound. What is atom? An atom is the smallest particle of an element which can take part in any chemical reaction. What is ion? Ion are groups of atoms that possesses an electric charge. There are some atoms of some elements like noble gases. They does not have the tendency to combine with themselves or combine with other atoms. Why? It's because their outermost shell has been completely filled. Some atoms, some elements like neon, helium, krypton, xenon, argon, they are called noble gas elements because their outermost shell has been completely filled. What are now the types of chemical bonding? Types of chemical bonding. There are two most common types of chemical bonding, which are electrovalent or ionic bonding or covalent bonds. So there are more than this. We have hydrogen bonds, we have metallic bonds as well. So number one, we have electrovalent bond, electrovalent or ionic bond, and covalent bond. So under this covalent bond, we have ordinary covalent bond and coordinate covalent bond. So, what is electrovalent or ionic bond? An electrovalent bond, this is the transfer of electron from what? Less electronegative atom to more electronegative atom. When they say an atom is less electronegative, that means the atom is what? A metal. When they say an atom is more electronegative, that means the atom is a non-metal. So electrovalent bond, is the transfer of electron from less electronegative to more electronegative atom. So electrovalent bond is the transfer of electron from what? Less electronegative atom to more electronegative atom. Take this hint. So less electronegative atom, atoms are what? Metal. While more electronegative atoms are what? Non-metal. So they have the characteristic, they have what? A large electronegative difference among them. So electrovalent bond has what? Large electronegative differences, which is what's change in difference which is greater than what? 0.7. This is the difference between what? An electrovalent bond. So this is the difference that is in electrovalent bond. We have examples of electrovalent bond. We have examples of electrovalent bond. Electrovalent bonds. So they are called ionic bonds as well. Example of electrovalent bond, we have sodium chloride, that is Na, which is being ionized. It contains what? An ionic charge plus what? Cl minus. The meaning of this plus and minus is plus. When you see an element with plus, that means it's a metal. It has the tendency to what? To lose an electron. When you see an element with minus, that means that element is a non-metal. They have the tendency to what? To gain an electron. So sodium can transfer. We transfer this what? This electron to what? To chlorine to make it stable. Because the aim of any element in chemical bond is to what? Is to be stable, like the noble gases, like the helium, like what? Like the argon, like the neon, because they have what? They have complete their outermost cell by what? By obeying the rule of what? Duplet and octet configuration. So in the next class, you will know what is duplet and octet configuration. That topic is in atomic structure, so we are going to get there. So what are the examples that we still have in electrovalent bonds? Number 2, we have magnesium oxide, that is magnesium Mg2 plus. So magnesium has the tendency to what? To lose 2 electrons, and OH2 minus, that O2 minus, that is oxygen, has the tendency to what? To gain 2 electrons. So these 2 examples are the examples of what? An electrovalent bond. We have the characteristic or physical properties of an electrovalent or ionic bond. We have what? The physical properties of electrovalent or ionic bond. So we have the physical properties of electrovalent or ionic bond. Number 1, they what? They conduct electricity. Number 2, they have high melting point, high melting and boiling points. Number 3, they dissolve in what? In water, or you can call water a polar solvent. They dissolve in water or a polar solvent. They do not dissolve in what? In non-polar solvent. What are the non-polar solvents? Non-polar solvent like ether, like benzene, like turpentine. They do not dissolve in it. So this is what we call chemical bond. In the next class, I will explain more on this. If you like this video, please share, like, and comment. God bless you.